This is our Forex blog for February 25th, 2014, and our focus right now is teaching the computer how to trade. For many years, almost 6, I did daily classes trying to teach people the few dozen systems and methods that we trade with, and I just found it was too hard for many people to learn based on all of our statistical tools and concepts. You need to learn Fibonacci retracements, fib profit targets, fib time extensions, how to analyze swing levels. So there's over 35 different support resistance areas. There's certain moving averages that play key roles. There's wave counts and so much that most traders just don't want to learn. So we just basically now are focusing not only for our own trading, because some of the best trading happens during the middle of the night. I'm creating these for my own automated systems. I'm auto trading these in a few pairs each night and working on other pairs until they become perfected. This is almost a year's worth of work, 15,000 lines of computer code, over 150 patterns, and like I said, Fibonacci pullbacks, fib targets, our statistical models are all in this. So basically, in a nutshell, the key to trading, doesn't matter how you trade, is small losses and bigger wins. That's the win versus the loss. Here's the loss on the next trade, very small compared to the win. And then you got in here and you have a nice win. You got that loss back. You go short, you get out right here, huge win. You go long right here and you got out with another huge profit. So you got about 25 pips of profit, maybe 30. That's 55, 65. You lost 10, 55. And these two, you might have another 10 pips. So it netted about 65 pips today, just in the euro. And obviously this is an uptrend, so we're not looking to sell this. The longer term trend is up, so we will buy dips near the lows at statistical key reversal areas if the longer term weekly monthly trend is up, which it is in the euro. Now this is one way of trading, and before I go on, let me just show you the pound dollar today. The pound's a very tricky currency to trade. It didn't do nearly as good as the euro, but you can see small win, loss, nice win, small loss, maybe 4 or 5 pips, 3 pip loss, big win, small medium win, small win, actually 46 to 72, that's a 20 something plus pip win, 5 pip loss, 5 pip win. Those two counteracted each other, small win, and then huge win, followed by another medium win, loss, huge win, or at least short at 20, out at, and made 24 pips on that short. So the pound's a very tricky one to code up automated systems with. Now for those of you who want to learn how to trade and use our best tools, these are our currency indexes, which let you see visually what each currency is doing. You can see the euro is above the previous day's high. It's above its hourly moving average, and it breaks out around 3 o'clock right here. The dollar, on the other hand, is underneath its hourly moving average until about 10 today, and it found resistance here. It's clearly in a downtrend. The daily, weekly, monthly trend is down. So you would have started the day focusing on buys, and so if you use our currency index and then you see our signals give buys, you're gonna be ready for those. Nice big win here, small loss. And there's a lot of things you can do too. If you know that the currency indexes are supporting a buy, you can put on our trend candles, and when you get a buy signal, you're a little bit more cautious, wait for the bars to turn green, and at least in this case you had a chance to make 6-7 pips. Buy here, you made money. Short, if you're a little concerned in selling currency that's this strong, wait for a trend candle to go red and then ride it all the way down. Let's take a look at a couple other examples. The pound, also strong, finds support at the hourly here. The dollar was weak. It doesn't take a rocket scientist to know that strong pound, weak dollar, you want to look for buys in the pound dollar. It's that simple. And notice how the pound goes up, pulls back, goes up, and then right here kind of double tops at 11. Great place to go short the pound using our currency indexes. So if you're buying it most of the day and then you went short at 11, like I said, great place to write it down. It's a little bit after 11. And in fact, our Forex signals did catch that, because we do use the currency index. If you have a small 4 or 5 pip loss here, followed by, like I said, short at 20, out at 96, nice 24 pip win here. So that's how you do it. You use our currency indexes and you find the strong ones and you buy them versus the weak. And here's some of the other currencies you have to choose from. You can see the Swiss was very strong today. The CAD was weak. Let's take a look at one that most people probably don't trade that often. Swiss CAD, strong Swiss, weak CAD. I'm sorry, it's actually the CAD Swiss, so you're going to sell this. So you look to sell it, and you can see down, down, down. And you have these fib targets that, you know, are just phenomenal places to exit your profits at. If you shorted this little pullback, whoops, shorted that little pullback, the 1.618 is a great place to get out of that trade. From this last little move right here, look where the market went to. So if you got short right here and it's not really going down, you got to use a time stop. If it doesn't go your way in a half an hour to hour and a half, you probably want to take whatever small profits you have, go short again here at this double top and the 50% retracement of that last move, and get out the fib target. Notice how you short here at 80.15 and you're out here at 75. Nice, almost 30 pip profit while risking less than 5 pips. And that's the key to trading. Small losses, big wins, and the currency indexes really help you do that. And they also help you find almost ideal trades, such as a currency that's trending down for 6 to 10 hours, pulls back up to major resistance area where there's major selling. Perfect oscillator gives a sell signal here at 11 o'clock. You want to find a currency at 11 o'clock that's very likely to go up. So let's scroll these back and take a look at what appears to be the strongest one at 11. The Swiss just breaks its hourly moving average. The Australian's trending up on all time frames. And let's take a look at what the Euro's weak here. The pound is. The yen looks pretty strong. The dollar also looks strong, but it was trending down all day. It's probably likely to find support at the hourly and previous day's low and make another wave up. So you could trade that currency against the dollar. So we're looking to buy the dollar CAD around 10.30. It's not the best trade in the world. Here's 10.30. Let's scroll up and find the exact time here. It's actually 10:55. Sorry, I'm half an hour off. So around 11 we're looking to buy this, and you can see it does make a nice little bounce up. Not much, 10-12 pips, but regardless, the currency index will help you spot high probability trades by itself. And when we add our signals on top of that, you're going to do even better.